Makukum jodolo mayai kaunti mabaringo okwayo piny owacho mondo winje ywak mar rowere mapachoka ma osebedo ka timo ng'anyo e bombe mapachoka. Kotelegi gi Bishop Joshua Cheptarus mar kanisa mar Full Gospel Churches of Kenya gisiemo piny owacho mondo kik buon ywak oganda jo Kenya ma osebedo ka bago ng'anyo. Ne giwuoyo Marigata Full Gospel Church kama ne gipogo chiemo ne jogo ma midhiero mar ula koda monj mag mwandu noyudo gwenge ma Baringo North, Baringo South koda Tiaty. Gikwayo jatend piny Kenya William Ruto mondo rangie weche mag ochumi mapachoka.
Of all Kenyans, the demand of too much levies is all over, and we feel that a government with all the humility would listen and know that these people are pressed. They are so much pressed. They are so much pressed. They are indeed pressed. Please listen and to their voice and consider where possible.
Tunaomba serikali to consider ifikirie kilio cha wananchi, kwa sababu tumekuwa na kilio kikubwa ambacho wananchi wamelia. Wanaomba serikali, mama mboga na yule ambaye hawezi kujimudu waangaliwe na wafikiriwe. Kwa hii tax ambazo imekuwa juu sana, tufikirie, tusikie kilio cha wananchi ili hata tuweze kusaidiana na serikali, kwa sababu tax ikiwa juu sana kiasi ya kwamba wananchi wanashindwa kujimudu, watajificha na nikupotea watapotea, na tutakosa hata ile kidogo tulikuwa tunataka.